So what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Well, I actually wanted to make a full-on vlog about it and just how I'm feeling about the Galaxy S9 and why I'm not actually buying it. But I've been so busy, like literally I just edited this video. I'm now rendering it. Then again I have to work on another video with testing some ROMs. But I would be putting a lot of vlogs in future. But right now I'm just sorry. I just wanted to address this one thing, why I'm not actually buying a Galaxy S9 and why I'm actually disappointed. Well, a bunch of you guys actually asked me in the comment section below and on Instagram. That's like my second most engaged platform. I don't know why, but if you want to chat with me, just follow me on Instagram, links in the description. But on 25th Feb, when the Galaxy S9 was actually launched, after watching the 2-hour long presentation, I don't know why, but I was feeling disappointed by Samsung. There was not a single thing that would make me buy a Galaxy S9 in that whole presentation. Well, most of you guys told me there is better performance than Galaxy S8. In terms of performance, according to me, anything above Snapdragon 820, which scores about 140 in Antutu benchmark, you can't even tell difference between a chip above than that or a chip lower than that. Literally, I feel no difference between Galaxy S7 Edge and the Galaxy S8 in terms of performance. Well, if you talk about gaming, yes, there is something, but in your normal day-to-day usage, like opening apps, running them in background, there is no such difference at all. Like literally, sometimes I feel Galaxy S7 Edge is faster than the Galaxy S8 in some parts. Yes, granted, Galaxy S9 can shoot in 960 FPS, the chip is that powerful, but seriously, it just doesn't make sense about me. Well, talking about the slow motion, the newer camera. Personally, for my day-to-day usage, right now financially I'm not that stable looking at my subscriber count, as you can tell, that I could just wish for a phone and I could buy it. No, I'm not that rich. Having the Galaxy S8 Plus right now, I don't have it. My mom is actually using it. I am using OnePlus 5 as a daily driver, an amazing phone. The battery life is almost triple than the Galaxy S8. I just don't feel the need for it. The normal f1.7 camera on the Galaxy S8 and the S7 Edge are pretty amazing. Like literally the low light capture quality on both of them is just amazing. And then again, every time I post a picture online or just use as my profile picture or something, I always edit it. So having those less 0.2 apertures just really don't mean for me. Then again, 4K recording. I barely even recorded 4K one time in my life. Yes. It was the first time when I bought my Redmi Note 3 and my iPhone 7 Plus. Yes, I didn't even record first time like 4K on my Galaxy S7 Edge. Then if you talk about the display and stuff, it's just literally the same panel as Galaxy S8 as how I feel. Yes, it's brighter than the Galaxy S8, but it's not brighter than the Galaxy Note 8. And then again, it just looks uglier than the Galaxy S8 because Galaxy S8 has both of the chins equal, so the display just sits in between. But for Galaxy S9, it's just lower, so it just looks ugly. Then again, if you call iPhone X has a notch, I really like that notch. Like literally, all the bezels of the iPhone X are so thin, you just forget about it. But that's not for the Galaxy S9. You have that fat bar at the top and also you have a bar at the bottom. The pricing, 65,000 rupees for the Galaxy S9 Plus. That's the same exact amount that I paid for my Galaxy S8 Plus. I just don't feel that I've used the phone a lot. It's an amazing phone. I really love my Galaxy S8 Plus. Like today I can remember I had the S7 Edge, but I just switched in between to the iPhone 7 Plus cause I don't know, I just felt the 7 Plus was better. But it's not the same thing with the S8 Plus. It's just an amazing phone. And with the pre-ordering and stuff, I'm just disappointed with the Samsung again. For example, for pre-ordering Galaxy S8 Plus, I got this charger. I never actually use it. Literally, you can see there is a Ganpati Bappa on it. I just used it once to show you guys on the vlog, but it's still an object that I have got free for 5,000 rupees. With Galaxy S9, you are getting none, literally nothing. Like seriously, I don't know what Samsung is doing this year, because you can get a cashback of 6,000 rupees on exchange of Galaxy A5 2016 or a J7 2016. But if that human has a Galaxy J7, how could he able to afford a Galaxy S9? I seriously don't know. But also you guys DM me that why did you buy that TVS scooty? Yes, I have pre-ordered a TVS Ntorq 125. Well, a funny story about it. In 2016, when I actually dropped out of college, I don't know, I just want to thank my mother right now for supporting me that I wanted to do all of these things. Then I have bought all of this stuff on myself. Literally, I have not been settled. You can really tell it by looking at my face. Yeah, even at that time we actually wanted to replace a scooter, but seriously there was nothing good at that time available in the market. Like literally offerings from Honda and TVS were just the same thing, Activa, Jupiter, there was nothing. But with that money and my money, we actually bought me a Pulsar AS200 and it was just like one of the best purchases of my life. And I just wanted to thank it right now because Galaxy S9 can wait. I have not made a lot of videos with my Galaxy S8. The one I made was Noted ROM, it didn't work well. Then again AOSP ROMs which are not even stable as if right now. The beta videos, yes, but the beta videos are in the end of the year, such as for example October and November. Until then, there is no really need for me to buy an S9. Some of you guys actually told me you would buy a Note 9 at the time. I seriously respect that series for the powerhouse kind of phone that is, but I'm just fan of the S series, so I guess I would be buying a S9 in September, I guess, if ever. Cause seriously, I just want my mom to have a better vehicle as if right now, and yeah, it's coming almost in 2 weeks, so you guys would be also seeing me on a scooter. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.